Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. It feels like a pretty basic week, so I'm going to tell you a little bit more about how things work at Walgreens, just a few of their policies. I'll also tell you the deals I did in-store as well as the deals I did curbside and why I did them that way. And I'll share all the best grocery deals that I found at Walgreens for this week. Now, before I get into the deals, I want to tell you about another way I save, actually two other ways that I save. One is the PG Good Everyday Rewards program, completely free to join. I will drop it down below. But basically, you get access to coupons that you can print and use on items. You also can scan receipts when you've purchased Procter & Gamble product, like these Oral-B toothbrushes that I purchased, and then you get points back and you can use those points to cash out to gift cards. So I think it's worth the extra couple of seconds it takes to scan the receipt. Again, completely free, always free. You're never going to be charged. I will drop the link for it down below. The other way I save additional money at Walgreens is I joined AARP, and I mentioned this before. You only have to be 18. It gives you access for you and another adult in your household to use the AARP benefits. Tons of benefits, and too many to talk about in this video, but the reason I talk about it in Walgreens is because you get additional Walgreens cash back when you link your AARP card to your Walgreens account, which is super simple to do. If you want to join, I'll drop a link down below. It's $12 for the year. Or the promo that you'll see pull up right when you click on the link is $9 a year for 5 years. I just did $12 for the year, which is an option on that same screen because I wanted to check it out and see if I thought the benefits were worth it. I do think the benefits are worth it. I've actually already earned a $5 gift card back. So if I did that within 2 months, my guess is I'm going to earn more than the $12 I paid for it back just in gift cards, let alone all the other discounts. So check that out. I'll drop a link for it down below. Now, let me tell you the deals I did curbside, and I didn't do many this week, but there's one I should have done curbside, so I'm going to tell you about that. I picked up 2 of the CoverGirl products on clearance, and I did them curbside because I wanted to see that the digital coupon attached and they were clearanced out online, and I wasn't sure if they would be clearanced in store. It looked like a lot of the CoverGirl products were clearanced in store, as well as a number of the makeup products were on clearance. But I picked up the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Concealer, $6.29 on clearance in the app. There's a $4 digital coupon that makes it $2.29. But there's an Ibotta rebate for $3 back, so that makes it a moneymaker. Now, the CoverGirl eyebrow pencils, these are $5.99. There's a different $4 digital. That's the regular price, not clearance price. Different $4 digital from this one, so you can do both deals. Paid $1.99, got back $3 on Ibotta, so again, it made that a nice little moneymaker. Now, also look for Maybelline clearance in the Walgreens app. I had a $5 off 2 digital coupon and a $3 off 1 digital coupon, and there were multiple Maybelline items that were below that cost. And remember, if you have a coupon that is a higher value than the cost of the product, it's not going to work in store, but it will work for online or curbside pickup. I didn't make it to the store last night. I was on my way home from dinner. I had placed an order. My order wasn't ready to pick up, and it was at a Walgreens that was farther away. Basically, by the time I pulled into my driveway, it said my order was ready to pick up, but I was not going back out again. So just know, look for Maybelline clearance in the app and look for those coupons because you could score some free Maybelline makeup. Now, every other deal I did in store. Now, I haven't shopped in store at Walgreens, and I feel like a while because I just prefer curbside. I like knowing that my coupons are going to come off and it's not going to cause me any trouble. So this is a deal I did curbside, but I wish I would have done, or I did in store, but I wish I would have done curbside. It's on these Lay's potato chips, and I'm afraid if I move one, they're all going to fall. But these potato chips are buy one, get one free. They were also cheaper in the app than they were in my store. In the app, they were $4.59. In store, they were $4.79. Still buy one, get one free either place. There's also a $3 off 5 digital coupon. Now, that coupon did not come off in store, but it did show that it came off for the curbside order. So had I placed it for curbside, I would have paid $3 less. But when I did it in store, the coupon didn't come off. And yes, I could contact customer service, but no, I probably will not because my Sundays are already busy enough. So if you wanted the best deal, place this curbside, pick up 6 of them at $4.59. The buy one, get one free will apply, so you'll get 3 of them for free. The $3 off 5 digital coupon will apply, so you'll pay $10.77 for all 6 bags or just $1.79 per bag. So that's the best deal on the chips this week. Now, if you don't want to mess with that and you just want a good sale price, the nice potato chips are $1.99 on sale this week. The nice coffee, which I actually like their coffee, it's $3.99 on sale this week, which is a good sale price. The nice trail mix, multiple varieties on sale for $1.78. Again, good sale price there. Let me tell you a few more. The equal like sugar packets, they're $2.29, but they're buy one, get one free, so that makes them just $1.14 each. The Kellogg's products, the cereal, the bars, the Pop-Tarts, they're buy one, get one free. So Pop-Tarts were $4.29. That makes them just $2.14 each after the buy one, get one free sale. The Quaker Oats are 2 for $9 or $4.50 each. Hot dogs, 2 for $8. Buy one, get one free sale, which makes them 2 for $4 or just $2 each. The 7-Up soda, 3 for $10.99. I believe that's a good price for soda. I don't typically buy it. That makes it $3.66 per pack. The cashews were on sale for $2.98 again this week. So those were the best grocery deals. I know many of you have said you like this toilet paper. It's on sale again this week for $1.99. The Garnier, you want to do this one in store because it's a register reward deal. These are 2 for $8. There is a $3 digital coupon, so you will pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for both or 50 cents each. Yes, you can pay in Walgreens cash or different register rewards. You just wouldn't want to pay with the register reward you got from doing this deal to try to do it again. But you can always pay with Walgreens cash when you're getting a register reward back. The Oral-B, again, do this in store. There's multiple options for this. You want to pick up 2 products at $3. There's a $3 digital coupon, so you'll pay $3, get back a $3 register reward, making them both free. Again, you can use Walgreens cash because you're getting a register reward back. I did both of these deals. I paid with Walgreens cash. I got the $4 register reward and the $3 register reward. And yes, I did them in the same transaction. They're different register reward deals, so there's no issue in doing them in the same transaction. Now, if you are brand new to couponing and you're like, I want to know how to do this, but I still have tons of questions, that's okay. I have full tutorials for how to coupon at Walgreens that breaks it down step by step, goes in more depth than I can go into in each of these individual videos, but I will link them for you down below. It's a beginner's guide, all about register rewards, all about Walgreens cash, how to use Walgreens cash on a spend deal. I have tons of different tutorials that I think will be helpful for you. Now, I think that was everything I purchased. There's a couple more deals I want to tell you about. The all detergent, $3.99. There is a $1.50 digital that makes it $2.49. There was this Cantu like curling cream that's $2. There's a $1.50 digital that makes it just 50 cents. But those were some of the best deals that I found happening at Walgreens this week. Last night, I did pop into a store on my way home from dinner. I took some pictures of items that I found on clearance. Of course, clearance can vary by store, but I will include those pictures at the end of this video. Please, if you're finding other deals, please share them in the comments below. I'm hoping after this, I'm going to look very quickly at CVS, see what kind of deals they have going on this week. And then my son has a piano recital today, and I just love hearing him play the piano. It's something I can't do. I have no idea how to play the piano. His dad has no idea how to play the piano, but somehow he is learning and thriving, and it's so fun, especially to listen and hear him do something that I can't do myself, and maybe one day I'll get him to teach me how. All right, y'all, if you have questions, let me know. If you're finding other awesome deals, share them in the comments below. Most importantly, have a great start to your week. Thanks.